Welcome to RVer Frank's Yerf Dog House. Good morning, everyone. Well, we got our first snow up there in those mountains. Beautiful. Light coming through that plant there. There's water on that. It didn't get down below freezing here last night, so we should be there in another week, and every night it'll be below freezing for the month of December is what the forecast shows. Well, let's take a look at what the projects are for today. It's about 40 out there right now. It's 55 inside here. So it's comfortable for me. Hello everyone. Let's see, so I made my trip to Harbor Freight. Cut out my coupons. And what I get? Well, I got this 3/8 torque wrench. It was $12. I got a half inch one. Put those spacers in the Yerf dog, and so up to get to the inch pounds I was looking for, I needed the half inch. This 3/8. It's a good deal for smaller application. Then I got me trailer adjustment electric brake adjustment tool. Of course, it comes with all the other tools required to change those brakes out. I just needed this adjustment tool. That was Harbor Freight. Got some gloves. They had gloves on sale. So we're good to go on that. Then I went by Walmart and got me this 5,000 lumen 4-foot LED shop light, equivalent to 250 watts. Actual is 45. Comes with all these little LED elements in there. Kathy will be happy about that. Sometimes I come in from the doghouse and leave the light on out there, and she reminds me of it, even though I'm going back out there. So that's the plan for today, is to get this stuff put away and get this light installed. I put this Can-In filter in the truck, oiled it, and seems to run great after all that work I had done to it. So let's take a look at the doghouse. Don't need those fans. I was thinking about getting a propane heater. But it warms up here pretty good during the day, and I run hot usually anyway. So I got the Yerf dog in here. I'm going to get those bungee cords hung up. I'm going to do something different than all those screws. Let's see, I need to get through all of my Yerf dog stuff organized and get that up on the rack up there on the roof, Yerf dog roof rack. Need to get this fire extinguisher mounted in there, and the Yerf dog. Took these mud scrapers off the rear wheels. They may be repurposed for a rock guard on the rear trailing arm, so we'll see about that. So that pretty much is it. I finished painting what I'm going to paint on these, on the bench and the shelf. I'm not going to paint the surface, the working surface. There's that yellow line as my guide coming in here. So I'm going to bring that light there down and run it underneath here, so I have more direct light on my workbench. If I'm standing here working, I've got pretty good shadow there. I need a little better light. And the one I always turn on is this one up here, so that will be the LED. So that's what we got planned for today, so we'll check back. Well, that LED light is bright. It lights up this whole room. I'd say it's probably 50% brighter than that fluorescent tube I relocated underneath the bench. So, in fact, I decided to go ahead and add another shelf for the bins there. Bins. It gives me a little more room down there. Clean that up. So got everything organized, painted. Real happy how it all turned out. For a little dog house. So I think it's about time to take that Yerf dog out. I got the storage tubs in there. So we'll go ahead, jump in that little buggy and do some more breaking in on this thing. Thanks for watching. See you soon.